Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by finding the sponsored post and tapping the three dots. Do this now. Once done, choose Hide Ad to remove that specific impression and give a reason so Facebook learns your preference. Make sure to tap the advertiser name to check the page. Sometimes muting or unfollowing removes similar ads. If the ad persists, don't stop. Collect the advertiser name and proceed to add preferences to reduce future similar placements. You'll continue by opening settings and navigating to ads preferences. Once there, remove specific interests and add topics that match the unwanted creative. That reduces algorithmic targeting. Make sure to review advertisers and businesses to block specific pages or hide ads from them. Also, toggle off Facebook activity controls to disconnect external data sources. This makes ads less personalized. These middle steps take time, but they substantially cut the frequency of similar ads over the next days. Finish by blocking or reporting persistent advertisers directly from the ad menu. Reporting helps remove policy-violating content. You can also install a reputable browser ad blocker for desktop or use Facebook's Manage Your Ad Preferences for stricter control. Make sure to log out and back in after major changes so settings sync. If ads still appear, clear your app cache, update Facebook, or contact support. One key tip: confirm you're altering the correct ad account or profile. Changes don't cross between accounts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.